respective CEM.
The Meghalaya government has started the rejuvenation project of Umiew and Ganol water sources to mitigate the water shortage in Shillong and Tura. Informing this, PHA Minister Marcus Marak said that there are different components of the project and the implementing agencies are creating necessary awareness and sensitization in the villages surrounding these two water sources. The project is being implemented at a cost of over Rs 300 crores.
This KFW actually is to rejuvenate the sources of Umiew River and also Ganol River. Umiew River supplies water to the Shillong city, and then Ganol River supplies drinking water to entire Tura town. So therefore the government has taken up this project of rejuvenation of all the sources in the upstream of Ganol River and Umiew River. So the project has already started. The project is being implemented by MBMA. I did a review meeting very recently with them. I found it's a very good thing. There are many components of the work. They have started second components, which is sensitization programs in the villages.
Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma addressed